If you're seeing an itch.io purchase error, don't worry, this is usually something small on the payment side, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. We'll cover the most common causes, including switching payment methods, disabling browser extensions, and clearing your cache so you can complete your purchase without the frustration. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you're getting an error with PayPal, try using a direct credit or debit card instead. Sometimes the issue is not with itch.io itself, but with the payment method or the way PayPal is processing the checkout. So if PayPal keeps failing, go back to the payment screen and choose to pay directly with your card. On the other hand, if your card is giving you trouble, try PayPal instead. Switching between the two often solves the problem instantly because different payment routes can run into different verification or gateway issues. Next, disable any browser extensions that might be interfering with the checkout page. Strict ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and even some VPNs can stop the payment gateway from loading properly. If a payment script gets blocked, the purchase process can fail before it even finishes. So temporarily turn off ad blockers, disable suspicious extensions, and if you're using a VPN, switch it off for the checkout attempt. Then reload the page and try the purchase again. This simple step fixes a lot of itch.io payment errors that seem random at first. If the error is still happening, clear your cache and cookies, or better yet, try the checkout in Incognito or private mode. Over time, browsers store old site data that can conflict with a fresh payment session. Using a private window gives you a clean browser state with fewer leftover cookies, fewer extension issues, and a better chance that the payment page loads correctly. Open Incognito or private browsing mode, go back to itch.io, sign in again if needed, and retry the checkout from scratch. If that works, then the issue was most likely caused by stored browser data. If none of those steps work on the first try, repeat them in a different order. For example, try card instead of PayPal, then private mode, then disable extensions. Sometimes the payment provider just needs a clean session and a different checkout route. Also, make sure your card details, billing address, and payment information are entered exactly as they appear on your bank account. Even a small mismatch can cause a purchase to fail. The good news is that most itch.io purchase errors are temporary and can be fixed without contacting support. In many cases, one of these three solutions will get you through the checkout. Switch between PayPal and card, disable interfering extensions or VPNs, and clear your browser data by using incognito mode. Try them one by one and you should be able to complete your purchase. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for app and website errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.